Spotify just blew the doors off your playlists, and for the first time, you can actually see the people powering your favorite tracks. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your go-to place for all the tech news. Spotify has rolled out a wave of new features that drag the hidden music makers straight into the spotlight, and fans are about to get a backstage pass like never before. Spotify just announced expanded song credits, which is currently rolling out on mobile. These revamped credits don't just name the star at the mic, they dig deeper, revealing producers, engineers, songwriters, background vocalists, and the entire creative army behind every beat. Desktop users will get the upgrade soon, but the real show will begin next year. That's when Spotify plans to launch SongDNA, a slick interactive tool that cracks open a track's entire music lineage. Curious which songs were sampled to build that addictive hook? Want to know who covered the tune over the years? Or what other hits the collaborators secretly helped craft? SongDNA stitches it all together and turns every track into a living, breathing family tree of ideas, influences, and creative fingerprints. Spotify isn't stopping there. It's adding About the Song too, a glossy, swipeable card experience tucked inside the now playing view. These cards serve behind-the-scenes stories like what inspired the track, how it came together in the studio, and why the artist chose to release it in the first place. But both SongDNA and About the Song will be for premium users only. But the upgraded song credits, they're live now, and they're about to change how you see and hear the music you love. Are you ready to dissect your favorite music? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.